Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Redmi Sonicbass wireless earphones. Now on the front side of the packaging, we can see what the product looks like, and they'd like to highlight three features. First being that this offers 12 hours of playback time. You've got environmental noise cancellation, and it's rated for IPX4 splash and sweat proof. On the right hand side, you just have the name of the product, and the same is on the left. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. This brings us to the back side of the packaging, where we can see the model, which is INLYEJ02LS. Aside from that, you also have the mention of the contents and the contact information for the manufacturer and importer. There is also an authenticity sticker at the bottom. You can scratch and find the code, which you can use to verify whether the product that you've purchased is authentic or not. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. On the inside, we've got additional ear tips, as we saw previously on the back side of the packaging. These come in small and large sizes. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. Then there's a user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device and if at all there are any unique features that you should be aware of. So the Redmi Sonicbass has quite a flexible neckband, and you can see that the control pod is only on one side. This is the right hand side. The left hand side has nothing, just a little bit of weight for balance. So on the control pod, you can find the power button or the action button or the multifunction button. And on top of that, you have the volume rocker to reduce and increase the volume. On the side, you have a little rubber gasket, which can be opened to reveal a micro USB interface. So you will need a micro USB charging cable that is not provided in the case to charge the device. At the bottom of the control pod, you'll see a little opening. This is where you'll have the microphone or sometimes an indicator LED. And the same goes for this little opening over here. You never know which one has the microphone and the indicator LED. Then there's the earbuds. These are magnetized, so they do stick together. That is kind of convenient. And the casing is all metal, so that also adds to the durability of the product. And then you've got the BIS mark on a little piece of paper that's attached to the earbuds. So that's it for the unboxing of the Redmi Sonicbass wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.